Hi, this is just a short instruction video of what's required to set up the AV for church services at LIC each and every Sunday. As we can see here, we've got the equipment, which is the AV extender equipment. We've got a VGA cable, and then obviously we've got the laptop as well. This is all used in conjunction with the long Ethernet cable which spreads from one end of the room to the other to connect the laptop to the screen, the projector. So this is the equipment associated with the laptop, and this is the equipment which is going to be used to project the image from the laptop to from the projector to the big screen. Starting with the laptop, plug the USB mouse into one of the USB ports that can be found on the side of the laptop. And now plug the laptop power cable into the power socket which can be found of the laptop, which can be found on the top right hand side. As you can see, this is the video extender where one extender has got a VGA in, which is to your right hand side. This is where you will plug in the VGA cable. Of the extenders will be placed by the laptop, and the other extender will be placed by the stage. With one end of the VGA cable, we plug that into the laptop, the VGA end which is male, and the female end of the VGA cable plugs into the VGA in connection on the VGA extender. Plug the power for the video extender into the equipment and also into the power block on the floor. If you can't find if a power block is not on the floor, please source one from one of the boxes. Now we can turn the laptop on the top left hand side, on button, and put in the password of the LIC media account, which you should be given. With the laptop login on, we can now move the other end of the hall with the power adapter and the other video extender, and also the LAN cable that we need to connect the two video extenders. We plug the VGA power extender power into the power block on the floor. If there's not one there, request one, and then plug the other end of the power into the extender itself. The green light should be on as shown. Now we get the VGA cable coming out of the wall. This goes directly to the projector. Plug that in any socket of the two, and make sure it's securely fastened. Also, after you fasten that VGA cable, we take the Ethernet cable that we're going to roll down the other end, but we plug that one end into the Ethernet connection. Within the cabinet next to the stage, you'll find the rope that actually you need to untie, and so the screen can come down, which the image is shown upon. Now we need to turn on the projector. To accomplish this, we need to power on the projector by pressing the LCD projector button, which you can see on the right hand side of your screen. That button can be found, remember where we untied the rope to unleash and pull down the projector screen. That button can be found in that cabinet, and then on the left hand side we need to press the power button on the actual projector remote control to actually turn physically on the projector. So the right hand side gives it power, and the left hand side, the right hand side of your screen gives it power to the projector. The left hand side, as you can see, we use the remote control to power on the projector. Once you see a blue light on the projector, underneath the projector, you know it's powered on. Blue light. So when you see the blue light on there, that means it's on. So as we power on the projector and the image is displayed on the screen, the bottom right hand side should say VGA2 on the bottom right hand side of the display on the screen, just by the stage. This indicates the channel which is expected for the laptop. Once we connect everything and turn on the laptop and everything's connected, that the laptop will be displayed on. So the images from the ProPresenter software will be shown on this channel. If you don't see VGA2 as the source on this channel, then you can change it by using the projector remote control and by pressing the VGA2 button, as we can see here. With the projector now turned on, and remember we plugged the one end of the long Ethernet cable into the VGA extender, which is now down on the floor near the stage, near the worship team. Now we can unroll and unravel the long Ethernet cable to the other end of the room, where we will then plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the VGA extender, which is on the desk by the laptop. We can connect the other end of the cable into the other VGA extender, and now we've got end-to-end connectivity. So with the extender plugged in at the other end of the hall and now at the laptop side, and also with the projector screen on, and now it's showing source VGA 2 on the screen, we can now start the ProPresenter software on the laptop. This is achieved by pressing Start on the start bar and clicking the ProPresenter 5 program icon. To make sure that this is securely in place. Once it's in place, then you'll have a black screen, which is good because I've done the ProPresenter to display black first. So, in conclusion, once the laptop is turned on and the ProPresenter software is started, then and the VGA extenders are all plugged in and everything's working, you will not see the VGA2 source found anymore on the screen. You will just see a completely blank screen, which indicates that ProPresenter 5 is up and running and ready to use. That now concludes the LIC AV service setup instructional video. Thank you for viewing.